Hello everyone, welcome to this 30-second video on Excel. In this video, we'll see how you can create pie charts and donut charts in Microsoft 365 Excel and how we can do some modifications as per our requirement to make it ready to be shared with our stakeholders. So let's start. So I'll delete these charts first and we'll recreate. So first of all, if you see, I have a table with a few products and revenue or profit. So let's see if you want to get the distribution of revenue by these five product types, how we can do that. So we can definitely create a column chart or a bar chart to do that. But yeah, with less number of product types, it can be easily shown in pie chart as well. So let's do that. So we'll go to insert and you see the pie chart is at the top itself. Otherwise also if you click here you have this option, so let's click on this. So now you see we have the distribution of revenue by these different product types, and we also have a legend here. So this is table, this blue, dark blue, chair is orange, bed is green, sofa is this light blue, and then stool is actually purple. Okay, and when you hover over this you'll get the percentage as well. So you can see by looking at this chart, actually it looks like that green has the highest share, or this bed has the highest share, then maybe this and the other one chair has the second highest share. Okay, so 29k and this 25k, and then table is around 19%. So this way overall the sum of all this would be 100%. But yeah, many a times actually it may not be very evident looking at the pie chart itself. Then you would like to do some formatting to show the numbers. Okay, so that to do that, if you click double click on this, the format option will open here. Okay, now the first one is data, so it's fine. I mean the data is already selected. Here we have format, and here you can modify the chart title. Okay, so I'll just make it revenue by product. So here it is available, and we can show the title position a verb or overlay. So it would be this overlay, but yeah, a verb is better. And then you can format it as well. So I can make it bold. I can change the color to something else. So maybe this. Okay. And I can even fill it with something. So you see, and outline also I can make something like this. Okay, so you can make it better as per your requirement. You can definitely do these formatting. And then if you go to legends, actually it's on. Okay, so we have this legend here, and we can change the position to the top, to the right. Okay, we can do these adjustment to the top right or left as well. Okay, but yeah, bottom looks better because it's at the center in the bottom, and as we have the title as well. So I mean they two are at the extremes. One is at the top, one is at the bottom, so it looks better to me. Okay, and you can make these as well bold or do some uh, formatting here as well to the text. And how here also we do have these options. We can fill something. So let's do this, and then outline also you can create like this. Okay, so this way you can do the formatting. Now the next part is this series. Now this is interesting, and here you can actually make a lot of changes. You can see the option of vary colors by slice. We generally do vary the colors by slice. So if you untick this, it will all be blue. But yeah, you can definitely change this color to something else as well. Okay, like this. And then if you make some changes to the outline, this is how it will look like. And so let's tick this. Let's vary colors by slice. And then if you click on this data label, If you make this on, then the value will appear on these slices. Okay. Now, if you want to show the category name, so everywhere, I mean, you can get the product name as well, and it is separated by comma. So here, if you see, it's separated by comma. You can change it to semicolon, you can change it to space, you can change it to something else as well. Okay, so let the comma be there. And then series name you don't need because it's all revenue, but yeah, you can show the percentage as well. So now there are too many things, so this part actually moves outside. So let's remove the value from here. Let's stick on percentages and the name. Okay, but name won't be required as well. But yeah, if you want to show these two, we can do that. And then legend key, if you do, actually these colors will appear close to these names as well. Okay, so let's remove that. Now these, actually, now if you feel like that it is not looking better here, you can double click on this and you can move it outside, and you see that there is a line. So this option is also there. Actually, you can check or uncheck. Okay, but yeah, it's better to show the line. Now I can move this as well outside, I can move this as well outside, and you can place it properly. Okay, you can place it properly so that it looks better. And this way also you can modify your pie chart. So you can actually show some more information, which product is this. And in this case, when you are actually showing the product name as well, you don't even need the legend in that case. So you can switch off the legend, you can delete the legend. That also you can do. Now here, these labels also you can actually format. So I can make it bold, I can increase the font size, I can fill it with some color, and I can give a outline as well. So when I am doing all this thing, I don't need the legend, so I can click on this legend and delete it. Otherwise, here I can just switch it off. So you see, now this is how it will look like. Okay, so there are many options to format your pie chart, and you can use it to make it better. Okay, now very similar to pie chart, we have a donut chart. So let's quickly look into that. So if I select all this and I click on insert, then I have an option here of donut chart. So it's quite similar. We also have, so rather than having a slice of pizza here, we have donuts where ring in actually broken into different categories. And here also, if you hover, you get similar kind of information here as well, and you have very similar kind of format options as well here. So let's look into that. So again, legend is on, chart title is on, and if you go to series, you can, so I mean, you can actually reduce the size of whole size by reducing this percentage here. So this is again as per your requirement. This option we have already seen in pie chart, and in data level also, if you switch it on, see, you have this similar kind of option. So you can make those adjustment, make those changes here as well. Okay, so the similar kind of options are available. So based on your requirement, you can do the formatting, and you can make it better to add it to your presentation or share it over mail. So I hope this video on pie charts and donut chart was useful. So do subscribe my channel, like the video, and share it amongst your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.